tin can.
A what?
There's tin can on there.
Well, there's all kinds of junk through here. Little nature walk. Looks pretty bad. Yeah. Look at that. An old tire.
Yeah.
Think it's still good?
No, there's a hole in it.
We have to go up to high ground here. It's rough going. Damn it! Watch your step there.
Yeah, if I did that, I'd be hurt.
It's getting clear. So you got anything to say about your trip so far?
Well, we're coming to a clearing, so where the fuck is this house or
Watch your
stuff
language!
Oh, sorry. I'm an impolite
Never mind.
person.
Oh, wait. We're coming across some debris. There's, looks like a kettle. Yeah?
An old-fashioned one.
Let me get a look, huh? Neat.
Yeah, that's where the spout used to be.
There's a spoon, a whole bunch of garbage.
Oh, you're stepping on a bed spring. I can see it.
Oh, there's tin cans all over this embankment. Big stone. We're going up to the highland. We gotta get around all this. Oh, look at that.
Oh, you just stepped
Look at
on
that.
a nice bottle.
I just found a bottle.
And I'm gonna take it. It's doesn't have a name. It's got a crack in the
Hold
side.
it still.
But it used to be a cork top, obviously.
It's cracked.
Oh, slightly right here. It's okay.
Neat. Ugh, stones. Really? Watch your step here. It's getting treacherous.
I'm not climbing down there with my bad ankle.
We're going around. This gets deeper. Okay, I think we gotta go up on Highland and around all this. Okay, here's a nice easy way down. Oh, it gets really thick. Let's go around. Spotted some more metal.
Barbed wire.
Looks to be an old wood stove. Oh, that were neat.
Hey, look at it. It's got a number on it. 18 or That's
number 136.
136.
It's upside down, but
That's pretty cool.
an old stove. Look, there's an old bell housing for something. Oh, tree. With petals.